Are you new to fitness and don't know where to start? Or perhaps you're a seasoned gym rat looking for a fresh routine? Either way, a full body workout might be just the ticket to kickstart your fitness journey or inject a new lease of life into your existing regimen. Full body workouts are a fantastic way to hit every major muscle group in one session. They can save time, boost your metabolism, and offer an efficient way to build strength and endurance. But where to begin? Let's jump straight in. The first exercise in this beginner-friendly full-body workout is squats. A classic move that targets your legs and glutes, squats also engage your core, making them a great all-rounder. Start with your feet hip-width apart, bend your knees and lower your body as if you were sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight as you push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Next up, push-ups. This timeless exercise works your chest, arms, and shoulders. If you're new to fitness, start with your knees on the ground and gradually work up to full push-ups as your strength improves. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10. Now let's talk lunges. They target your legs and glutes just like squats, but also challenge your balance and coordination. Step forward with one foot, lowering your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat with the other leg. 3 sets of 10 for each leg should do the trick. Moving on to the upper body, we have bent over rows. This exercise targets your back and arms. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, bend at the waist and hold a weight in each hand. Pull the weights up towards your chest, then lower them back down. Aim for 3 sets of 10. Lastly, we have the plank. This is a fantastic core exercise that also works your shoulders and back. Start on your elbows and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. That's it. 5 simple exercises that, when performed together, provide a comprehensive full-body workout that's perfect for beginners. Remember, the key to any successful fitness routine is consistency. Try to perform this workout 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll soon start to see improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. To recap, start with squats, then move on to push-ups. Next, perform lunges, followed by bent-over rows. Finish with a plank. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each exercise, except for the plank. Aim for a 30-second to 1-minute hold. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works for you and enjoying the process. So why not give this full-body workout a try? It's a balanced, beginner-friendly routine that hits every major muscle group, making it a fantastic starting point for those new to fitness or a welcome change for those seeking a new challenge. Happy exercising,